So that is in. That is not out. The big screen will flash that. Yes, there it is. So after 4 is 25 for 2. So after 4 overs, the Bulldozers are 55 without loss, and look at Kerala strikers, they are way behind, 25 for 2. Even after this, the Bulldozers piled up the big runs here for their side, and that is why it has become so difficult now for Kerala strikers to even stay in the game alive. Kept low. One bounce into keeper Sudeep's glove as well. Straight onto his knee once again. That's an injured knee. he goes down on the ground.
They still need 223 runs of just 95 deliveries. Sawa. Oh, superb shot. Straying on the pads and paying the price for it. It's been flicked away with the square leg boundary. There you go. Nice roll of the wrist. We've been talking that Karthik has got everything correct about his bowling. Only thing is his direction is not right, and on that occasion again he's straight down leg side.
The difference between this Rajiv and Rajiv from Karnataka Bulldozers is the bat swing. Rajiv from Bulldozers, he had this wonderful swing off the bat, great backlift that helped him to get that power. Rajiv Pillai of Strikers, although he is a good bat, he doesn't get that bat swing. That backlift is not there. That is why it's so difficult for him to wield that power.
Absolutely right. The backlift is the most important as far as batsmen are concerned. Swing of the bat is also important. Wasn't convincing, but we'll still get one run.
Nice one, Jake. Nice one, Jake.
It's completely shaken them, the Strikers, by the onslaught, by the assault from Rajiv and Bhaskar of the Bulldozers, and it's not easy to recover for Kerala Strikers. Beats him outside the off stump. He calls for a wide. Was it very far from the off stump, or was it in between that white line? Extremely marginal.
Oh, dives Scampers for one. He'll get an overthrow as well. It's 5 overs gone. It's 34 for 2.